Hello, everyone. This is Monica Marva as part of NCR Corporation representing University Hiring Group, but I'm supposed to talk more about talent acquisition and its learning initiatives. I would like to showcase four more most important tasks which we can do it right now. As part of talent acquisition planning, one is doing on our talent acquisition analytics. When we say talent acquisition analytics, we are also talking about predictive analytics. So it is the right time when you can go and learn about it. Also utilize your existing database and try and figure out an analytical manner on how to utilize it and represent that in front of your stakeholders. And this is something which is going to help you out. What? Because most of the organizations are actually struggling with utilizing their database in a right manner. And how we can do it? We can really utilize that data and analysis of it, share it with our stakeholders that this is the way, these are the trends which we used to hire from, these are the organization where we hire from. Moreover, it is kind of a which kind of a technology, which kind of a role we really hire in the last year. It will change. Yeah, this COVID-19 have impacted us so bad, then the entire hiring trends will change in the organization. But our process, but our way of doing is going to remain as is. My second important part is talent pool. When I say talent pool, it is important to understand we all follow different trends like employer referrals, external hires, agencies, and so on and so forth. But how we can make sure that we analyze our talent pool in a manner that how we can make it more effective year on year. So it is very important for us to touch base, review it annually, our different measures of talent pool. Third part is inbound recruiting. Obviously, when we are encouraging and being part of this pandemic, we have to focus more of an inbound hiring rather than external. We might not be in a situation to spend any money externally. We might not be in a situation to pay to our referrals altogether. So, how we can really encourage our inbound recruiting is precisely try and create a skill set analysis of your existing employees. So a skill set database is important for our internal hires. What kind of a technologies, what kind of a roles they are into, what is the number of experience they are emphasizes on, and how we can utilize that for our future requirements. Because our future trends, future requirements will change, and we can only utilize our existing people is something gonna help us in a long run. Last but not the least, the most important part is we are really entering to a new era of employer branding. Do not wait for a time that, yes, we do not have a position right now. Why are we going out on a social media? But this is the right time to go out on a social media. Showcase what is it we are doing right now for our employees. What is it we are effectively managing for our employees, and we are overcoming this difficult time. So all the people who are passive interest in our organization, we can really capture them at this point of time. Try and connect them through different modes of social media to help people. There are a lot of people who are struggling in the market, who are short of job, who are difficult to understand what kind of a role they will be looking at. Please be an ambassador of a talent acquisition group and try and utilize that. So it is a very important thing. I would suggest it is also another learning platform for you as an individual, that how you focus this best time in making sure that you're learning few important things. I personally feel for a talent acquisition person, there are three major trainings which are important. One is negotiation skills. So please put focus and enroll yourself in any of the best organizations like Unacademy, Coursera, Harvard, or any of the courses which you think are comfortable or maybe available. Second could be unconscious biases. We at times work on our unconscious bias and end up doing a wrong hire. Try and overcome with that. Third, make yourself more comfortable with the diversity and inclusion. This is a topic which is going to grow, but understand the depth of it. Try and understand how effectively you can work on it. Thank you so much, and wish you a learning time at this point of time, and we will all come out of it for sure. All the best. Stay safe. Stay home.